Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go to the seller hub on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here for this video, I'm going to just follow this article here. And basically, I'm just going to this customer service article. And from here, we can learn how you can be able to access the seller hub. So first, you will need already to be starting using the seller app. So for your first time, you can simply go to seller app. You can do it by just type in eBay seller hub, and then you would find the link for it. So as you can see, you'd find like the eBay seller hub and just go for it. Here, I'm just going to click on start using seller hub. And basically now this is my seller hub here and there. Now you will uh, be able to find here all these items, and this is your dashboard or your overviews, etc. And basically now you are able to start using your seller hub. Another way to do it whenever you start, it seems that you might be able to do it here from your my eBay, and here you will find the like summary. There you will find my garage where you can find all your stuff, and basically we'd like to go to selling. And as you can see, whenever you're going to selling now, you will be able to go directly to the seller hub since you already started using it. So you can simply go to my eBay and click here on the selling, and it will take you to the seller hub. So that means you will need just to firstly uh, connect it for the first time or start it the first time so you can be able to access it whenever you would like. So basically, uh, this is how you can go to your seller hub on eBay. Thank you for watching and see you next time.